Every year, millions of plastic bottles are thrown away across the world. Many of these bottles end up in rivers and oceans, polluting our planet. What if this waste could become something valuable? The journey begins with collecting and compressing plastic bottles into massive bales. These bales are transported to recycling factories. Inside the recycling plant, bottles are carefully sorted. Caps and labels are removed because they are made from different types of plastic. Next, the bottles go through an intensive cleaning process. Clean bottles are then shredded into small plastic flakes. These small pieces are called PET flakes. Before melting, the flakes must be completely dry. The clean flakes are melted at extremely high temperatures. Impurities are filtered out to ensure high-quality material. The melted plastic is pushed through a spinnerat to form thin fibers. As the strands cool, they solidify into polyester filaments. The fibers are stretched to increase their strength and flexibility. The fibers are crimped to create softness and texture. Long filaments are cut into small pieces called staple fibers. These fibers are packed into large bales and sent to textile mills. In textile mills, fibers are spun into yarn. The yarn is woven or knitted to produce fabric. These fabrics are used to create clothes, carpets, bags, and many everyday products. Recycling plastic bottles reduces pollution and saves energy. From waste plastic bottles to useful fiber, recycling turns trash into valuable resources.